Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to go over the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. It's not really an important 8th grade standard, but it is a prereq that you needed to know for the homework at the very beginning on page 91 and 92. So I'm just going to explain it so you guys already know that and see where this whole problem is coming in the context, okay? So let's start. An equilateral triangle just means all sides of the triangle are equal. So like this triangle here, those little lines like this, this, and this, just mean that this triangle's sides are all the same. Here's what those lines mean. Those sides are equal, okay? Sides are equal. Sides are equal. Next, the perimeter is the distance of the outside of a shape. So let's do a triangle specifically. The perimeter of a triangle is, let's say if I cut this triangle right here, and then I open up those sides so that I have this line here, then that line is the length of my perimeter. So let's call these side 1, side 2, and side 3. So if I open this up now, side 1 would be this little purple line, side 2 would be this blue line here in the middle, and side 3 would be this part. Now again, the perimeter is how long this whole thing is. This is my perimeter. P is for perimeter. So if I was thinking mathematically, I'd say, oh, I just have to add up the sides. So the perimeter of a triangle is just side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Again, I just open up this triangle here, spread out the sides, and then I have side 1, side 2, side 3, and then I add up the sides, and then I get my perimeter. Let's do an example. I have a triangle with side length 3, 5, and 7. So my side length, if I opened it up, is going to be 3, 5, and the last number would be 7. So my perimeter is 3 plus 5, which is 8, plus 7. Perimeter is equal to 8 plus 7 is 15. And that's all you do. To find the perimeter, you just add up the sides. I'll pause here, or you should pause it so that you guys can copy that down. There's really nothing to it. Now, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is very specific. So let's look at it. Remember, these lines mean these sides are all the same, right? And then this here is my equation for the perimeter of a triangle, which again is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. But hey, an equilateral triangle, all the sides are the same. Do I really need those numbers? Not really. Because I already know that these sides, these S's, are all the same. So I can just say my perimeter for an equilateral triangle is S plus S, this S plus this S plus this S. Okay? Now, perimeter is equal to, if I think in terms of multiplication, how many S's do I have? 3. So my perimeter is 3 times S. There's an invisible dot. I can write it like this. I prefer to usually write it without the dot. That means multiplication. So my perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3S. Okay? Now, let's try one example just to make sure we understand this concept. I have an equilateral triangle. All of my sides are the same. So I can try the first way where I add up the sides. So I have side 1 is 5 plus 5 plus, right here, 5. And then 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 5. And then 10 plus 5 is just 15. So I get the answer here. Or I can use this formula here and just do perimeter is equal 3 times the side. The side length is here is 5, so I put a 5 in there. 3 times 5 is 15. So this one's a lot simpler in terms of you don't have to add so many numbers, you just multiply by 3. Okay, so the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is P is equal to 3s. Okay, so remember that, and that is for your homework. If you have any questions on this, email me. If you have any questions on the later homework, I'll probably have more videos. If you need like specific help and you're just not getting it, please message me. You guys, anytime, any place, I'll try to respond as soon as possible. Thank you.